It looks like it could be something fun. Oh my goodness me. No way! It looks like they could be.
Do you have the time? I'll turn around the sign and sing for you. Do, do, do. Now let's open up some boxes, medium, big, large or small. Do, 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 do. Let's open up the door and find out what we have in store. Unbox Shop.
Oh, hello. Welcome back to the Unbox Shop. My name's Joey, and I'm here to show you all the best toy news, reviews, and unboxings with the help of my toy tester, Brian. Brian's live streaming to us from a different studio. Say hello, Brian.
Hi, Joey. Yes, I'm live streaming from my lovely studio. Hey, Joey, would you like to hear a joke?
Go on then.
What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. Ah! Back to you, Joey.
Once again, thank you very much, Brian. Today, we are unboxing one of these. It's DreamWorks Trolls Tiny Dancers. There's loads to collect apparently. Let's read the packet. So it says Series 1 DreamWorks Trolls World Tour Tiny Dancers from Hasbro. On the back, it says there's loads to collect. So we have no idea how many there are to collect. Unlike in Lego Super Mario, they had 10 in each series. We have absolutely no idea how many there are to collect here. But Trolls World Tour. Let's open it up and find out what's inside. Here goes. Quite easy to open this. It has a pull tab on the side. So I just pull the tab like that. Open it up. There we go. Great stuff. Easy peasy. Remember to put it in the bin. Now straight away it looks like it's starting to come apart in the package, but it's meant to. Have a look at this. Oh, we still have no idea what's inside this. It looks like it could be something fun. Oh my goodness me. No way! It looks like they could be sunglasses. This is brilliant. This is absolutely no idea what I thought this could be. Looks like they're sunglasses. Now before we open it up, it looks like something's falling out from the side. It looks like something quite interesting. Yes, here we go. Here are all of the different trolls that you can collect in this collection. Have a look. All the different trolls that you can collect. I wonder which one we're going to get. Who knows? Put those to one side for the moment. Something else was here. Looks like that's just instructions in lots of different languages. Make sure you put that in the bin as well, because the instructions are here. Now let's open it up and see what we have. Here goes. Make sure you can see in the camera. Whoop. Brilliant! Star sunglasses. Let's open it up like this and like that. There we go. And the other side, this and like that. I had no idea that these were going to be sunglasses. Shall I try them on? Here goes. I look absolutely brilliant. I'm definitely wearing these next time that I go out shopping. Wow. Now let's see which troll we got. Now it's in this little bag here, so I have no idea. Move these to the side. Let's open this up. Here we go. Very satisfying open, this one. Ooh. Now, I haven't seen Trolls World Tour yet. I'll have a little research while you're talking to Brian, the toy tester, and we'll see exactly which character this is. He's got really long hair. If you know what character this is, pop it in the comments. Wow, this is brilliant. And hey, it looks like double function here. You can put it on your finger. He can dance around like this. When his legs move, there we go. Brilliant. There are loads to collect for this one. You can have that on your finger, and you can have the sunglasses on as well. It's party time! Or in fact, it's world tour time, just like Trolls World Tour. I'll take this off now so I can give it to Brian. Brian, catch!
Look at me. I'm going to come close to the cat. Oh, no, they fell off. That's the problem with some of these toys. They are going to fall off your head if you're a blue monster. Back to you, Joey.
Thank you, Brian. Well, I looked it up and it looks like I've got King TROLLS. He looks like a rocker. Or a world tour rocker. He is really cool and he's fluorescent and got really cool hair as well. Well, it's time for me to go now. I hope you had fun watching Unbox Shop. I'll see you again soon. Say bye-bye, Brian.
Bye-bye, Brian.
And it's a big bye-bye from me. See you soon.